In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to check the battery percentage of your Sony XM4. The first one and easiest one is to turn them on, and once you're on, you'll need to click the power button just once. Don't keep it pressed because they will turn off. And you'll hear a voice saying how much battery is left. So let's try this. I'll bring it close to the microphone.
Battery fully charged.
I don't know if you heard this, but the battery is fully charged. Another way to know the battery percentage is if they are connected to a smartphone, an iPhone or Android, it's the same trick. If you're on an iPhone, you'll need to swipe down from the right side corner, and just beside the battery percentage of your phone, I know it's hard to see, so just beside it, there'll be a very small battery showing how full the battery of your XM4 is. I know it's very hard to see. And a third way to know how much battery is left is to go in the Sony Headphones app, open it. It will connect to your headphones if it's not already connected. Okay, so headphones on the lower corner here, and you will see the battery percentage right over there. So they're at 100%. Perfect. So these were 3 different ways to know the battery percentage left in your Sony XM4. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.